In the heart of the Riviera Maya, between the whispers of the jungle and the deep blue Caribbean, there is a place where nature and design embrace with reverence. Welcome to MANA88, an eco-luxury community born in Akumal, Mexico. A regenerative sanctuary where the soul breathes deeply and each day is lived with intention. With more than 50 hectares and 378 residential lots, MANA88 is a human ecosystem designed to coexist with nature, not dominate it. The villas are designed to blend with the jungle, open spaces, noble materials, and architecture that breathes. Some are havens of wellness, others conscious investment opportunities. Over 80 thoughtfully curated amenities enrich this experience. 7.5 kilometers of trails, a holistic spa, gyms, spaces for children, an organic market, art, sports, a connection. Here, every detail is crafted to honor the essential, the flora, the fauna, the silence, and the invisible thread that unites us as a community. Living at MANA88 is not just inhabiting a space, it's belonging to a vision that honors the earth and elevates life itself. Inhale, exhale. You're not escaping the world. You're grounding yourself. MANA88, designed to reconnect.